In today's world, gripped with global panda fever, the cute and lovely panda catches the attention of people all over the world. For nearly 3 decades, wherever the giant panda goes, an epidemic of panda mania follows. But do you know that the giant panda's first journey across the sea to appear before the eyes of the world immediately caused a sensation worldwide? The giant panda in this photo is called Su Lin. In 1936, Ruth Harkness, an American fashion designer, brought Su Lin to the USA, making it the first live giant panda in history to live outside China. Soon after arriving in the USA, Su Lin created quite a stir. A mysterious animal that had been talked about for over half a century was presented in front of the Western world for the first time. In April 1937, Su Lin's public appearance at the Brookfield Zoo in Chicago, USA, attracted more than 53,000 visitors on the first day, a record that remains unbroken today, immediately making Su Lin a superstar in Chicago. Over 80 years later, Su Lin has left this world, but the global panda fever continues unabated. Until the end of 2018, China has joined hands with 23 zoos across 18 countries around the world to launch long-term international cooperative research projects on giant pandas. From the first trip abroad to international exchanges, the giant panda has become an ambassador of peace and friendship to traverse the world, bringing joy and vitality to people globally, and further deepening international exchanges and cooperation on giant panda conservation.